guys, how is my current setup? We've got the HP Pavilion 14X360 on an Amazon Basics laptop stand, and I've got a basic Dell keyboard over there and the MX Master 3S mouse which I recently ordered on Amazon. So it looks like a cool setup so far, but you know what is missing? Let me just show you. This is the LG 27-inch monitor right here. I couldn't remember its name properly, sorry about that. Yes, 27U411AB. This is a monitor which I got for the second sem. Waited a long while for this, I couldn't live without it. Let's just jump right into it, shall we? Let's kill some boxes today. I'm excited, bro. I mean, I had another option of getting like the MSI monitor, so let's see how it goes. If I don't like it, maybe I'll order that one instead. So let's see how it goes, I guess. In the power of editing, I'll be cutting this box open in 3, 2, 1, and voila, it's open. Let's see over here. Oh, this is kind of, stiff. Oh my goodness. Ah, fuck. My bad. Sorry for the profanity, guys. Let's just do that. Oh my god. Something fell. An adapter, I believe. Just take it out like this. Much better. Anyways, let's just put the box to the side. We got the monitor stand, the base of the monitor. We got some instruction guide, and of course an HDMI cable, which I didn't need to get all the way from India. I don't know why I got it. Anyways, let's just move this thing. Oh my goodness, here is the monitor. Let me just show you all of the other parts first. So this is like the monitor stand. It has rubber feet and stuff. This is the power adapter, pretty compact in my opinion. This is the HDMI cable. This is the monitor stand. Trust me guys, one of the reasons why I bought this monitor might be this unique looking stand. Of course, I also looked at the numbers as well, the specs and the quality and stuff, but other than that, this is one of the reasons. It looked really sleek and unique, I guess. Now coming to the final piece of the puzzle, it is this monitor itself. We just remove it. Oh my god, this looks cool, bro. This is like a really large monitor for me at least, because I have just upgraded from like a below 20-inch monitor to this fucking monster. Oh my god, it's crazy, man. I'll just put that to the side over here. I'm excited. I've got like a quick setup guide right here, so I just follow those instructions, set it up, and a time-lapse video for that, and I'll get back to you as soon as it's done. Let me just clear all of this stuff from here, and I'll set the monitor up ASAP. Properly, I don't know. Check. Time to tell, I guess. And there you go. That's how the monitor looks currently. See that? Oh, so now to see the display quality and all of that stuff, I gotta wait until I connect my laptop, of course. So let's see how it goes. So this is the final setup, guys. So this is the laptop on the laptop stand. I lowered it a bit, I don't know, let's see how it goes. The keyboard, the MX Master mouse, the phone stand, the monitor itself, and it has like a table has a little hole over there which I use to hide the wiring and stuff. There's the HDMI cable connected to my laptop. Let's turn it on and show it to you guys. Now for the big reveal, let's just press the button I don't know what will happen. Oh my goodness, something happened! Oh, crazy guys, it's such a huge screen. It's a 1080p 27-inch screen, so it looks good. Let's just set it up. Settings and stuff. I'll just set it up and get back as soon as it is done. So guys, the setup is finally done. MX Master 3S mouse, as I said earlier, the phone stand, the Dell basic standard keyboard, the monitor, and my laptop on my laptop stand. This is the Amazon Basics mousepad, so it looks really cool. So let me just run a video or something and let's see the video quality. This one now. Looking into the monitor settings, we also have an HDR effect mode and readers, cinema mode, etc. So I think I'm gonna try HDR effect right now, and you can see the difference on the screen right there. I think like vivid and HDR effect almost similar. I think I'm gonna go for the HDR effect. I'll let you know how this monitor fares in a week or so, and yeah, hopefully it goes well. Thank you for watching. Take care. If you like the video, be sure to like, share, and follow for more. Peace.